Academy!
Hello kids, let's learn to read CCVCC words with short E. B-L-E-N-D. Blend. The word blend means to mix different things together until they become one. For example, she liked to blend different fruits to make a smoothie. K-R-E-S-T. Crest. The word crest means the top or highest point of something, like a hill or a wave. For example, as he surfed, he rode the wave all the way to its crest. K-R-E-P-T. Crept. Crept is the past tense of creep, which means to move slowly and quietly. For example, the snail crept across the garden, leaving a shiny trail behind it. S-L-E-P-T. Slept. Slept is the past tense of sleep, which means to have rested with eyes closed. For example, after a long day of play, he slept soundly in his bed. S-P-E-N-D. Spend. The word spend means to use money to buy something or to use time for an activity. For example, she decided to spend her allowance on ice cream. S-P-E-N-T. Spent. Spent is the past tense of spend, which means to have used money or time. For example, he spent the afternoon running outside with his friends. S-W-E-P-T. Swept. Swept is again the past tense of sweep, which means to clean an area by moving dirt or dust away. She swept the dust off the porch with a broom. T-R-E-N-D. Trend. A trend is a general direction in which something is changing, often in fashion. For example, the trend this year is bright colors in dresses. Thank you. Happy learning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.